Today, January 2025, I'm in Mirror Valley at Habila Township, Antipolo City. So tara mga kabahay, punta tayo sa Mirror Valley at Habila Township, Antipolo City and i-update ko kayo, mag-walk tour tayo today. So tara, let's begin our walk tour sa mismong main gate ng Mirror Valley. So ito po ang signage and ito naman po ang pinaka main gate. So ito po yung pinaka main road ng Mirror Valley. So it's a 12-meter wide road. So puntahan natin yung model unit namin for viewing here in Mirror Valley. So yung available na house model is Brahms model single attached. So dalawa ang aming unit model for viewing. Isang dress top and yung isa naman po is yung actual no for turnover na unit. Ito po yung dress top. So yun guys, and since nag-update tayo kung ano yung mga available namin na lot and house and lot package here in Mirror Valley, so mag-start tayo sa Block 1. And we are in Block 1, mga kabahay. Again, malapit lang siya sa main gate. Yan lang po ang main gate. And yung likod nito is Habila Link Road. And yung available na reopen lot is located in Lot 4. So yung lot area nito is around 154 square meter. Okay, taas tayo. Ayan. So yung likod is Habila Link Road. And ito naman ng view. Puntahan natin yung Block 5. Kung saan naroon din yung mga reopen na lot here in Mirror Valley. So, ito na ang Block 5. So yung available na reopen residential lot only is located banda dito. Puntahan po natin. Actually, ito na ang available. Located siya sa Lot 5. Lot area is 150 square meter. So highlights po ng reopen lot na to is yung likod niya is amenity area and may easement. And again, it's facing east. So maganda siya actually. Ito po yung pinaka-harap niya. Facing east. So puntahan natin yung nasa lot 9. 146 naman po yung lot area nito. And dito naman ang available sa lot 9. So tara, let's continue our walk. We're still in Mirror Valley mga kabahay. Puntahan natin yung amenity area. Tara. Ito yung pinaka viewpoint. And yun guys, under construction ang amenity area ng Mirror Valley. So yung total area ng amenity area natin is around nasa 3 hectare. Yan guys, oh. Ganda corner lot. Laki ng ano niya, space. Tapos ang ganda rin ng fence. So yung mga kabahay ko naghahanap kayo ng RFO unit here in Mirror Valley. So ipapakita ko yung remaining ng mga RFO reopen units here in Mirror Valley. So yung available mga kabahay located in Block 6. So yung available actually is ito po. Yan o. RFO unit siya. So tara, let's continue our walk tour. Balik tayo sa main road ng Mirror Valley. And here in Block 7 may available na RFO unit. Yung unit model namin for viewing na actual na for turnover. Ito po yung available. So on my right is Block 7. On my left naman ang Block 8. Yan guys, oh. So ang dami ng mga constructed and marami na rin nakalipat dito sa Mirror Valley. Ang ganda, oh. So tara mga kabahay, puntahan natin yung available na RFO unit na reopen here in Block 7. Actually, ang ganda ng location niya eh. Kasi corner lot and along main road pa and it's facing east, di ba? Ang ganda. So ito ang available mga kabahay. So very prime ang location niya oh. Corner lot facing east along main road. And ang laki pa ng lot area. So welcome back mga kabahay again. I'm Agent J from MFR Real Estate Corporation. Today I'm in Mira Valley at Havilah Township, Antipolo City. And kanina nag-walk tour tayo. And kung interested kayo, please contact me on my CP number at 0929-705-6363. Thank you for watching. God bless and bye!